The master would accept monetary gifts from only his closest or proven disciples. New people would offer him money, but he would refuse it. Meher Baba had once explained to Adi K. Irani that he did not take money from certain persons because of the sanskaras of greed, lust, deceit, and other forces that went to obtain that money. In other words, the sanskaras that went into obtaining the money would come along with that money when given.